Hi everyone, welcome back. We're back out with the Mini 2, and today we want to test out one of the ND filters we got from SunnyLife. And the one we're going to test out today is going to be the CPL. We have an ND8 and an ND16. Unfortunately, it's going to rain today, so we're going to use the CPL. And I guess you're wondering, what is a CPL? A CPL is basically a clear lens. It's a circular polarized lens, and it just allows your colors to be a little bit brighter. And considering it's kind of a dull day today, there's no sun at all, I think that's what we're going to try. And this is what we got in the package from SunLife. SunnyLife, I should say. And these are the filters that you're going to get when you order from SunnyLife. I'll see if I can get the price for this and put it in the description below. And here is the CPL on the lens. They're pretty simple. They're pretty simple to attach onto the lens. As you can see here, it has a little clip here, and that will just clip over the top of the lens, and they seem pretty secure. Which one do we have here? I think this is the ND8. Anyways, enough of this. Let's get the drone in the air and let's check out that footage. Well, guys, it's kind of a gloomy day, but I kind of like having that circular polar lens on there. I find I have a lot richer, deeper color coming from the camera. Anyways, let me know what you think, and thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.